Can I turn this regular pen into one that's compatible with the Supernote? The first thing to know about these pens is that its ability to retract is made possible with the spring that's in the front. And with the ceramic nib refill from Supernote, there is a coil in the same position. If the spring is placed in the front, it will prevent the Supernote refill from working. It won't be able to write. We need to move the spring from its position in the front to further back. I'll show you what I mean. This spring is a bit stuck. To remove it, I've uncoiled a paper clip and I'm just going to push it out. There we go. All right, so now we have a deconstructed pen. For the refill to work, I'll need the spring to sit further up so that it won't interfere with the coil in front. So how do you do that? The solution I've seen is to have 3D printed parts that can hold the spring away from the coil. I don't have a 3D printer, so I've held off on this project for a while. In the meantime, I've been using this pen, which is a capped pen where you don't need any 3D printed parts. You can just use tape and scissors to modify a Supernote refill. If you want to make this kind of a pen, I'll link the video up here. So back to 3D printed parts. I was wondering if there was a way that I could get the 3D printed parts made without owning a 3D printer. And it turns out that your local library can help you out here. I had these pieces 3D printed from a Make Your World file that I downloaded. It was free and had great reviews. I'll link the files below. And initially, this piece came with a little bit still attached. The way the 3D printers work is that they have to build the piece. So I imagine that it was printed this way and it needed a stable base. And so there was this piece that I just needed to use something to push it out and was able to pop it out pretty easily. And now I'm going to use these pieces to modify the Supernote refill and hopefully it will work on the first try. Let's see. So we'll slip this through. And then this piece will actually hold, let's see. This piece will hold the refill in place. I'll push it in all the way. And this piece will sit here. All right, I'm gonna slip it in to this pen body. So it is fitting. Let's see, it is sticking out, so there will need to be, oh, I realized that I forgot to put the spring on here. That's what's missing. Be a little bit easier if I just pull this out. Okay. Let's do that. This fits really nicely. It's really nice and snug. Okay, let's try that again. Fantastic, it worked. I love how it turned out, how light this pen is, how easy it was to install, and how seamless the 3D printed pieces go with this pen. You can always choose a color to contrast with your pen. The library that printed the pieces had a wide range of colors. The best part is I could do this without having a 3D printer. All I had to do was send the files to my local library. They printed it for me. I was able to choose the color. And the filament they used is the PLA. Definitely check your local library to see if they offer 3D printing services. Some even have maker labs where you can go and print the piece yourself. And I almost forgot to mention that not only did the library print the pieces for me, they also printed them for free, including the filament that was used to make the pieces. So that's pretty awesome. I definitely recommend this. I am really excited to be able to use this pen going forward. Also, you can feel confident about printing from the file that I will link below. The pieces came out perfectly, they fit perfectly, especially the piece at the end that holds the refill in place is really snug. And this piece, I think, has some ridges inside a little bit because it prevents the piece from completely falling out when I'll show you what I mean. You see the refill in here, and for a moment, it seems like maybe there's nothing holding it, but there is something that is preventing it from just completely falling off. And these pens come in a variety of colors, not just shades of purple, so you can choose whatever color fits you best. I am so excited to have a retractable pen to add to my Supernote pen collection. Now I've got the capped version and a retractable version. I highly recommend making your own Supernote pen. If you do, let me know how it goes. And I'll link everything that I use to make this pen down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more in the future.